finally finished the entire floor. It actually was not that hard. It was just tedious. But it looks amazing. Literally so happy. This is about to be so much better. It already feels like way more sturdy and stable, so that'll be good. I gotta fill that. I have to fill this, and then I can do fiberglass on the top. But I think I'm gonna save the fiberglass. Oh, I need to fill there too. But I think I'm gonna save the fiberglass for tomorrow because it's hot and I'm tired. But I got a lot done. Cleaned this out too, so that way it's not so grimy. It's still dirty, but not like it was. This also got cleaned out, but everything's gonna need a whole new vacuum again. Pretty good over there, but as you can tell, the further back it got ruined. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it harden. I'm gonna sand it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do one more layer on top and call it a day, because this is just ridiculous. Lesson learned for next time. Okay guys, so I'm just showing you what it looks like. Basically, since I showed it to you, what I did was sand it all down, and then I just put a new coat of resin on top so that it would like cure and just be like extra strong. Looks like right there it's a little bumpy because I did some patchwork, but what I'm gonna do is just sand it all out. And then around this whole storage, I'm going to redo all of, like, obviously I haven't even done the door yet. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how the boat looks so far. I came out and I sanded it, and as you can see, I did a little bit of patchwork and some edge work because it is my first time fiberglassing, so I didn't quite do it perfect, but basically I'm going to go ahead and sand everything really smooth right now, and then I'm going to epoxy it with a white paint, epoxy, whatever the hell it's called, let it dry